I'm Rajesh Padke, co-founder and managing director of Tor-ai, India's largest industrial IoT company. So when we say IoT, IoT is no more a buzzword. There was a time when IoT used to be a good to have solution, but now it has become a must have solution. Each and every original equipment manufacturer, as the day passes, is coming up with new and new digital machines, and all of us are seeing the tailwinds in the IoT space. So it's not a question of whether I should have IoT, it's a question of when I should have IoT. Now, we have worked with so many customers and we have seen two types of patterns. Okay, one pattern is people are very clear on how the IoT journey is to be undertaken, and then the other side is people know they have to do something in IoT, so they start and they get stuck. So I want to cover the other side, because whosoever is clear, we can just start working together and execute the project for you. But when it comes to people who are stuck, I would like to give you some sense on how to approach the whole digitization process of the machines. I think the first and foremost and the most important point here is to identify a partner and not a vendor. Because normally, biggest mistake which companies make is you will call 4 people, ask for a quotation and go with the lowest possible price. But IoT is not a price game, it's a value game. So the whole thing boils down to the return on investment you are making on IoT. Because once you have IoT in your bill of material or in any of your service offerings, the cost is going to increase. But it is not about cost, and it is about value. And a very few people understand this concept. And most of the discussions stop when one prepares a profit and loss account and says, okay, if I go with IoT, my profits are going to reduce. Because there is no clarity on how to add value, how to make returns out of this IoT investment. So there the right partner will help you identify avenues, identify steps where what industry is doing, what the company can do, and then based on that a nice roadmap can be prepared. So this is point number 1. Point number 2 is have your internal task force. Many times what happens is the guy who is doing sales, the guy is doing research, during his daily activities, a very strategic initiative is undertaken. Now, when a strategic initiative has to be undertaken, you need to have a dedicated team who works on this specific project. So, identifying a team which has a person who understands the revenue side of it, so somebody from sales or after sales or support, and somebody from research, because this is going to be an embedded part of your product. So these two are the minimum people who should be in your team, and obviously some CXO. There has to be a blessing from the CXO. This project can't go bottom up. It has to be driven top down. So owners, managing directors, head of sales, head of research have to be part. So these 3 people are enough to start an IoT project. So you have identified a partner now. You have identified a team now. So the next logical steps comes is to do a proof of concept. And normally people stop at a proof of concept. So they start seeing data from their machine and then they stop. People don't do a proof of value. So whatever business plan is in mind, based on the data, one should also see whether whatever value was perceived at the time of discussions, whether that value is actually coming out of the pilot devices where we are, where you guys are, running your pilots. After this, then it's very easy. Then you have to really have an action plan around the rollouts and around elaborating the business case, identifying the KPIs, KRAs, OKRs, deciding the hierarchies, who has to see what type of data, what type of alerts need to be generated, what against what cost, what benefits I am giving. So when we talk about benefits will be to 2 set of people. One set of people is internal consumption. So your R&D guy might need some data for new product releases, or to see how your product is doing, what performance is happening on site. Your sales might want to know what is the product outreach of the equipment. But from the end customer side, end customer wants to know the patterns of usage, the patterns of fuel consumption, the patterns of whatever are the KPIs again. So we are working on hundreds and thousands of KPIs for multiple Indian and multinational companies, and if you are part of that group where you really want to do IoT but you are not able to proceed because you are not able to write a business case, we would urge you to come and talk to us, because unlike any other partner, we start with solutioning rather than starting with implementation. So So we can actually work with you to prepare a business case, work with you to identify your KPIs, work with you to see how you will maybe make 3x 4x times the investment you are trying to make on your machine, so on your IoT project. So hope to see you. If you have any questions, you can visit our website, which is tor.ai, tor.ai, or you can just leave a message in the comment box, and someone from our team will get in touch with you. Thank you.